Today we are talking about evolution, not the kind where your coffee habits evolve during exam week, but the real biological deal. It's all about the population. Your cat might act like a lion, but genetics says otherwise. Your cat isn't turning into a lion anytime soon. Think of these mechanisms as the avengers of evolution, each with their own powers, but natural selection gets the spotlight. Nature's version of job interviews. Only the most qualified moths get the gig. Stabilizing selection is the Goldilocks of evolution. Not too hot, not too cold, just right. So, in a world of hard to crack nuts, middle beaked finches live their best lives. This is an example of stabilizing selection. For directional selection, as there are fewer and fewer tiny seeds around, finches' beak sizes get bigger and bigger. And for disruptive selection, finches with small beaks and big beaks both thrive, while the middle beaked finch gets, well, benched. Sometimes evolution is less about survival of the fittest and most about survival of the luckiest. That's what genetic drift is all about. Founders are like the first people to start a group chat. What they bring defines the vibe. Mutation keeps evolution interesting. The universe's way of adding plot twists. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay kind, and remember, fitness isn't about abs, it's about alleles. That's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe and check out Dr. B's tutorials on Amazon for full AP and IB study guides. See the first link in the comments below. For more tutorials and test prep videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dr. B's Tutorials.